So like I've mentioned, these are from your test, your biology test 2023. Okay. So I got some of the MCQs from there. Then we should be able to answer here. Okay. So we have a question there which saying a set of three basic features which are used to characterize a plant cell are, so three basic features used to characterize a plant cell are, so you have one there. So option one is saying you have cell wall, cell membrane, and liposomes. So you have cell wall, cell membrane, and liposomes. That's the first option. Okay, cell wall, cell membrane, and liposomes. Then the second option is saying cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. Cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. Then the third option is saying vacuole, hyaluronic acid, and cell wall. Okay. Then the fourth option is saying vacuole, lysosomes, and cell membrane. Then option 5 is saying I don't know. So which one is the correct answer here? So remember, we are talking about a plant cell, and we are looking for the three features which are going to be present, and you are able to tell that okay, this is a plant cell. Okay. So anyone to give it a try? Okay.
Can I try?
Yes, go on.
I think the answer is two.
Okay, so why are you saying two?
Because the cell, chloroplast, and the vacuole, those are the only things or the features found in the plant.
Yeah, so these you're not going to find them in an animal cell, isn't it? So you're only going to
Yeah.
find them in the plant cell. You can't find them in the bacterial cell or anything. Okay, so even the one who has in box saying two, option two, you are correct. Okay, so there the answer is option two. Okay, so let's go to the other ones, the other questions we're having. Okay, so it's saying the mitochondria is an organelle that is physiologically involved in. So the mitochondria is an organelle that is physiologically involved in A, the process of protein synthesis, B, or 2, the process of photosynthesis, 3, the process of membrane synthesis, 4, the process of respiration, 5, I don't know. Okay. Anyone to give
Can
it
I
a
say
try?
that?
Yes, go
Can
on.
I give?
Yes,
The answer is four.
4.
Because the mitochondria is the reason why it produces energy.
Okay.
So in the process of producing energy, respiration is involved. So that's why I have chosen four.
Okay, so energy in form of ATP, you're going to get it through respiration, isn't it? So good. So the correct answer there is 4. Okay. So anyone with a different answer, maybe you are arguing that okay, that's not an answer you can teach us. Remember, we are here to share. Okay. But definitely there the correct option is 4. So we go to this one, the other one, saying the ribosome is a cellular organelle which is strictly involved in. The ribosomes is a cellular organelle which is strictly involved in option 1 saying the protein, the process of photosynthesis. 2, the process of protein synthesis. 3, the process of lipid synthesis. 4, the process of glucose synthesis. 5, I don't know. Okay, so let's be fast. Okay,
I'll go with two, the protein synthesis.
okay. So ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis, isn't it? Correct. Okay, so let's do this last one. This is the last one. So study the structure of the bacteria cell given below and select the features which indicate that the bacterial cell is a prokaryote. So which features are able to tell you that this cell is a prokaryote? Okay, so you have option 1 here, which is saying feature 1 shows that the bacteria cell is a prokaryote. So feature one, this is what? Let's label it. This is what? This feature one, this is what? So you have this. What's this? If you are to label one, what is it? Let's be fast. What's the name of feature one? You're just from learning. Okay. So this is a flagellum, isn't it? Okay. Do you have a flagellum in eukaryotic cells? Okay. It's negative marking, guy. You need to get a lot. You can end up getting a negative 5%. Imagine you're going to a next test, then you want to cover for the previous one. Okay, okay, so yes, we are the flagellum in eukaryotic cell. So this can't define a prokaryotic cell. Let's go to two. Two is in the feature two. So this two shows that the bacteria cell is a bacterium. What is two? What is there? So remember we said in prokaryotes we don't have a nucleus, isn't it? And your genetic material is going to be stored in the in an area called nucleoid. Okay, so this is your genetic material here. These morphoided things. This is your genetic material. You can say DNA. Okay, so is it there in eukaryotes? Is it there in eukaryotes? DNA is. Do you find DNA in eukaryotes?
No.
You don't have DNA in eukaryotes. You as a human being, you are a good example of a eukaryotic cell. You don't have DNA. Are you sure you don't have DNA? Okay. So people,
Okay, I think I missed this part. I came late.
yeah. So you have DNA in eukaryotic. So this you can't use it, isn't it? Okay. So we move. Let's try this one. Okay. So let's try three. The feature three shows that the bacterial cell is prokaryote. So what's our feature three? Where is three? Okay. So this is three actually. This is three. So for DNA it's three. Feature two is this one actually. Okay. This is a capsule. For feature two is a capsule. Okay. So let's go back. So feature three is the one which is DNA. I didn't see the marking there. So this is three. Three is DNA. And we are saying this DNA is not there it's there in prokaryotes, isn't it? So meaning even this statement here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even this statement 3 is wrong because we are saying DNA is there in eukaryotes, isn't it? But part 2, this is 2. This is your capsule. So capsule, do you have a capsule in eukaryotes? Do you have a capsule in eukaryote? For if you are following, do you have a capsule in eukaryote? Do you have a capsule in eukaryote? No, the answer is no. So this is correct. You are only going to find a capsule in prokaryotes, isn't it? In prokaryotic cells, that's where you are going to find the capsule. DNA is there in eukaryotes. The last option saying feature 4. Feature 4 is this one. This is a what? So this is a capsule. After a capsule, what do you have? A cell membrane, isn't it? So a cell membrane, you are also going to find it in what? In prokaryotic cell. So the correct answer there is this one. It's the capsule which would differentiate this your from your eukaryotic cell. Are we okay there? Is everything clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's end by labeling the entire structure, all the the parts we've been given. So here you've said it's a flagella. What was this one? This one you're saying you can say it's DNA. Then four we are saying it's cell membrane. Okay. What of five? These are organelles inside. And I've mentioned in prokaryotes, we only have one organelle, which is the ribosome, isn't it? Those are the ribosomes. Then here, this one, So this one, so this is the actually this is your caps, right? Then this was this structure here, which is the pili, isn't it? So the pili and the capsule, you are only going to find them in a bacterial cell. So this statement is still correct. Okay, so pili or capsule, you're going to find them in the bacteria. Okay. Then here we have the other structure here, 7. What's that structure? What's the name of that structure? Okay, these are not clear. What's part 7? Okay, so what's part 7?
We done came late.
Okay, so what would be part 7? So we have the capsule here, then we have the pili. Then what would be the outer layer there? Part 7. What would be this structure? Hello? Okay. Anyone to help us with structure 7? What would be structure 7? So this is a capsule. You can say this is a capsule. This is the pili. What would be 7? Hello? So should we call this a cell? So we
Hello,
have
how are you?
you can have a cell there, isn't it? So this would be a cell. Okay. Yeah. So those are the parts we have here. So you have the flagellum here. You have the DNA. Then you have okay. So let me do this. Yeah, so you have the cell over there and the capsule, the pili, and cell membrane inside. Okay, so that's what you are having. Okay, so this is the cell. So it's the one which gives the bacteria the shape, isn't it? So this can be the cell. Then you have the capsule as the one which encloses the organelles inside. Then you have your DNA, you have your ribosomes as organelles, your pili, flagellum, and your genetic material here. Okay, so that's what we have. So those are some of the questions you are going to face in your test 1, and you should be able to answer such questions.